Hey guys! Today I'll show you how you can create and send invoices in FreshBooks. So let's get started. FreshBooks makes invoicing simple and helps you get paid faster. First, open FreshBooks and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create New button and click on it. From the available options, select Invoice to start creating a new invoice. On the invoice page, you can customize the invoice by adding your business logo and selecting the client you want to bill. After that, enter the products or services you provided along with their prices. For example, if you completed a landscaping job, you can add the service and set the amount you want to charge. Once all the details have been added, review the invoice to make sure everything is correct. FreshBooks also gives you the option to enable online payments, making it easier for clients to pay you quickly and securely. When your invoice is ready, simply click the Send button. Your client will receive the invoice by email and can view it immediately. They can also pay directly from the invoice, which helps speed up the payment process and reduces delays. Using FreshBooks Invoicing is a great way to stay organized, look professional, and keep track of your business income with ease. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.